Yeah, my people. How na dey now? Still your guy. King Prosper, King of Afrobeat, King of Freestyle. Thank you all so much for all you've been doing for me. Thank you for the like, the comments, the sharing of my videos, the recommendation. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, based on my last video, I made mention of Fela Kuti, the revolutional sound. And that's what we're going to be looking into today. Yes, Fela Kuti is the revolutionary sound of Afrobeat in Africa. Fela Kuti was not just a musician. Yes, some people don't know this. Fela Kuti was a teacher. Fela Kuti is a voice of the people. Fela Kuti is a fighter. Fela Kuti changed music in Africa and around the world. That's why till today we still recognize Baba Fela Kuti as the pioneer of Afrobeat